Howdy again, this is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. We're going to be checking this little nuke today, right now, pretty soon. And it's supposed to have a queen cell in it. Busted brick means queen cell. Now the queen is probably already hatched. Well, I don't know. 3 days ago it had 4 uncapped queen cells in it, so I don't know what we got here. We may need to make some flits. Sit down on this one. Jim and I was at the nursery yesterday and thought he was going to work me to death. Loved it. Loved it, loved it, loved it. Got something to do with my bees. I love it. I like it a whole lot anyway. Not only love it, I like it. I like my bees. And my bees like me. That's a super foundation, which they're not really caring about right now. And if they got queen cells in it, they're not going to care about it anyway. The pollen patty right there. This frame has some pollen, some nectar, some bees, and drones. Now the next frame will have queen cells in it, or hatched queens, probably queen cells. They're keeping the bottom real clean. This one here should have a queen cell here. Queen cell here, queen cell here, one here, and one there. So we could make 5 splits with this. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3 capped, 1 uncapped, 2 uncapped on here. So we'll have to go through and see what's going on. Here's a capped one. That's a capped one. That's an uncapped one, and that's an uncapped one. This one, that's an uncapped one. That's an uncapped one. That's an uncapped one. This the 2 over here are capped. So what we're going to do with the capped ones, because that's the first ones we'll remove, is we'll take my yellow pen here, and up here at the top where it says they are, I'll put a cross on the top, which means they're capped. Whoops, put that one on the bottom. That one's capped, and the other 2 are uncapped. But that's them, and that's a new foundation that the queen laid on, and we moved the little girl. I moved the eggs out, put in this frame, or this box. So they'd make eggs and cells and stuff, cells. And this one has brood, old brood, from the other queen. and a little larvae, but not much. That's what's on there, but it's a good little amount of bees. After the first ones we put out and the queens died because we had those 2 freezing weather things, and I lost a few of them because I didn't have enough bees in. I've started putting more bees in them. I mean, this is South Carolina, so who was expecting? Okay, this has some nectar and pollen on it, and they're just doing good. Put that down. We're not going to put this last one back in. Four's enough until the queen comes back. They got enough in there they can work with. Put that down. Put that down. Put that down. Put them some food in there so they can make healthy queens. Dribble a little bit out on there so they know I like them. The difference, y'all, between like and love. We love because we're told to by God, and we like because of whatever we like, their attitude. And I like my bees. Okay, so now we got 4, 3. We got capped and uncapped queen cells. And we started this from 100, which is the hive over there that we were just at, on the 27th. So we got 5-day-old, 6-day-old, probably 7-day-old eggs in there. And an egg needs to be about 3 to 4 days old before they, before it hatches and they start doing things. So we got 1 brick. We need another couple of busted bricks because we got more than 1 queen cell in there. And that's that, people. This is number 103 East Fence. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know what you think. Give us a comment. If you're going to give me a thumbs down, let me know why, so we can fix it. We'd appreciate that. Y'all have a great day. Give us all thumbs up, though. Bye.